Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss 30 one-liner questions of agronomy. And our first question is, what is easily digestible? The answer is black gram. Black gram is the crop which is easily digestible. Question number second, what is the chemical formula of select lime? And the answer is CaOH twice. This is the chemical formula of select lime. Question number third, what is the hybrid of Pusa giant Napier? And the answer is Napier into Bajra. Question number 4, what is the optimum plant population for BT cotton? And the answer is 10,000 plants per hectare. It is the optimum plant population for BT cotton. Question number 5, what will be the CPE value if dash centimeter of irrigation is applied at IW upon CPE ratio? And the answer is 50 mm. Question number 6, which agricultural university in India was established first? And the answer is Panthanagar Agricultural University, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and it was established in the year 1960. Question number 7, which among the crop is having the highest oil content? And the answer is Sesamum, that is Sesamum indicum, provides the oil content that is 46 to 52%. Question number 8, which among the following is most salt tolerant fruit crop? And the answer is date palm. Question number 9, which clay is tetramorphic? And the answer is Montmorillonite. This is the clay which is tetramorphic. Question number 10, which crop has the highest cultivated area in the world? And the answer is wheat, that is Triticum aestivum has the highest cultivated area in the world. Question number 11, which crop have the highest protein content? And the answer is glycine max, that is soybean. Soybean, it is the crop which has the highest protein content, and soybean contains about 42% of protein, which is rich in lysine, and 20% of oil. Question number 12, which crop contributes the maximum to the production of vegetable oil in the country? And the answer is groundnut. Arachis hypogaea contributes maximum to the production of vegetable oil as it contains 45% of oil and in them, and also contain 26% of protein. Question number 13, which degradation plays a major role in the persistence and behavior of herbicides in soil? And the answer is chemical. Chemical degradation plays a major role in the persistence and behavior of herbicides in soil. Question number 14, which design is suitable when fertility gradient is in two direction? The answer is Latin square design. This design is suitable when fertility gradient is in two direction, LSD. Okay, question number 15, which fertilizer is fire hazardous? And the answer is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate, it is the fertilizer which is fire hazardous, contains about 33% of nitrogen. This ammonium nitrate, it is highly hygroscopic in nature and it is an explosive fertilizer. Question number 16, which crop stage of pigeon pea needs bright sunshine for higher yield? And the answer is pod development. In this stage of pigeon pea, they requires brighter sunshine for higher yield. Question number 17, which is an example of nitro-positive crop? The answer is pearl millet. This is the example of nitro-positive crop. Question number 18, highest water use efficiency is in which crop? The answer is finger millet. Finger millet shows highest water use efficiency, that is 13.4 kg per hectare. Okay, and the crop which shows the lowest water use efficiency, it is rice. Question number 19, which of the operation is specially followed in castor, and the answer is nipping of auxiliary racemes. This is the operation which is specially carried out in castor. Question number 20. Which of the operation is specially followed in chickpea? The answer is nipping, and it is a process of plucking or tipping of apical buds with some young leaves, once from each plant, at a height of about 12 to 15 centimeter. Question number 21. Which one of the following river basin has a maximum utilizable flow? And the answer is Ganga. Question number 22. Which part of the leaf is present in wheat but not in grassy weeds such as Phalaris manor and wild oat? The answer is legule. This Phalaris manor, it is a mimicry wheat which is present in wheat field. Question number 23rd. Which type of maize is early maturing one? The answer is popcorn, that is Ziamys everta. And in Ziamys everta, when they are heated, what happens? The pressure built up within the kernel suddenly results in the explosion and the grain is turned inside out. Question number 24. Which year it is called as the International Year of Soil? And the answer is 2015. This year it is called as the International Year of Soil. Question number 25th. White bird of maize symptom is due to the deficiency of, and the answer is zinc. The symptoms appears in the younger leaves and includes the chlorosis between veins, and the deficiency of zinc includes several diseases like Chyra disease of rice, white bird of maize, mottle leaf or frenching of citrus. These all are the diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of zinc. Question number 26. Who is the present chairman of Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Authority? And the answer is Vinod Prabhu. Kumble Vinod Prabhu. He is the present chairperson of PPV and FRA Act. Question number 27. Who was the first Director General of the recognized ICR? The answer is Dr. B.P. Pal. In the year 1965, he was the first Director General of ICR. Question number 28. Wind direction is measured by, and the answer is wind vane. With this instrument, we can measure the wind direction. And 29 question. What remote sensing was coined by? The answer is Matter. He coined the term remote sensing. Question number 30 and the last question. Zero computation is seen in, and the answer is parallel cropping. In parallel cropping, we see zero computation. Cultivation of such crops which have different natural habit and zero computation, this system is known as parallel cropping. For example, black gram or green gram with maize, they are the example of parallel cropping. So this was all about the special 31 liner questions of agronomy. For more one liner questions, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.